when I tell you we are making the simplest, best, creamiest peanut butter fudge that is the easiest around, that's what I mean. This is a recipe that my grandmother used years and years ago, and now it's become very famous, and it's a no-cook recipe. I'm not saying my grandmother made it famous, but she was the first person I knew that made it, and now everybody is using it. So all you need is 2 ingredients and your radiation box, aka your microwave. So you need 1 16-ounce can of creamy peanut butter and 1 16-ounce jar of vanilla frosting. That's it, 2 ingredients. First thing I do is I just spray a little bit of Pam in the bottom of my pans, and I'm going to make 2 different batches, but basically exactly the same. And I only put the Pam in to help make sure it comes out easy. I've already got my 16 ounces of peanut butter in here, and then we're going to take and we're going to add our 16 ounces of vanilla frosting. All right, now that we have the 16 ounces of vanilla frosting in there, we're going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute. We're going to pull it out. We're going to stir it. We're going to do it for 1 minute, pull it out, stir it, 1 minute, pull it out and stir it. We're going to do that 3 times and then pour it in your pan and you are done. All right, there's that radiation box ready. Pull that out. Your frosting's pretty much melted already, and we're going to whip our peanut butter into that. And then we're going to put it right back in for another minute. So we'll just mix this all together the best we can. I could just eat this. Like, as soon as I start making this, when I'm done, I could probably just sit down with a spoon and eat the whole bowl. It is just delicious. And it's so simple. All right. So we got that stirred down in there some. Now we got it mixed together pretty good. We're going to put it back in for 1 more minute. Do you like my little gnomes I got up here? These cute little boy and girl gnomes. They're pretty cool. Little. Sometimes they go up and down. If you open them too much, he'll just whoop, just like he's on an elevator. But they're really cool. And it doesn't really matter what peanut butter you use. I just showed you the generic peanut butter because that was a 16-ounce jar. But I actually took and measured out 16 ounces of Jif. So that's done. We're going to do it 1 more time. And I didn't double the recipe even though I was making 2. I make 2 single batches. I don't know. This is one of those things where the microwave timing is what it is. And if you do 2, it would overcook it. And you can kind of start smelling that it would be burnt. And since it's so simple, it's just easy enough to make it twice. So, all right, we're going to put it in for the last 1 minute. I like my little Christmas shirt with all my little bows on it. This came from Timo. It's just plain red on the front, but it's really cute. It has the 3 bows with the little cutouts. You can actually wear it for any time, or Christmas, or Valentine's Day. All right, so we got our last minute taken up here. And we're going to stir this 1 more time, and we're just going to pour it right into our pan then. Gosh dang, that smells good. All right. I'm just going to pour that right on in here. I got to pull this back. And scrape that bowl good and clean. Just be careful that you use a microwave safe bowl. Make sure that, it's not too hot to handle. This one doesn't get real hot, but it will after I use it a second time. So I'm just going to mix this and wait a minute or 2 for this to cool down, and I'm going to make my second batch. Make sure you get all of that out of there, because That is just major deliciousness. And I use the little like brownie pans, the size pans to pour this in. All right, that's all good. And there's no eggs, so I'm telling you, that is the best peanut butter fudge anywhere, hands down. So we're just gonna let this cool, put it in the fridge. We're gonna cut it up. Thanks for watching. We're gonna make some Christmas cookies. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Appreciate the likes, appreciate the subscribes, and also let any kind of comments that you want. I appreciate it. Happy holidays. Bye.